So these are our class of 2023 pathways, and once again you'll see that they have even more options, especially with the addition of the nursing science and the family and community services as well. So the big thing with them is we really were able to kind of pinpoint and catch them where they needed to be when they were freshmen, and now they're moving into their sophomore level studies. They're going to have a little bit more leeway, that there is a possibility they could jump into something else. For instance, those that were going to do digital communications and maybe they decided they wanted to move to the online portion instead of doing the classroom version, they could do that here. But there's going to be a process for doing that I'm going to be going over in a couple of modules down. It's not just something that they get to decide they're going to do. They talk about it with the counselors, they talk about it with me, they talk about it with their teachers and determine if that's the correct path for them. So they do have more leeway when they are just coming up to be starting sophomores, but their pathway is pretty much determined at this point, and it's almost like a small act of Congress to change where they need to be changed. And they really need to be talking to the adults that are in charge and determining if that's the best course of action for them. But these are the pathways. You can see, like I said, that it's mainly the additions of the 2 new public service endorsements for nursing science and for family and community services.